What's up, guys? It's your girl Kamiko Blends, back with another makeup tutorial. So today we're gonna go neutral, subtle, less color, because I've been like losing my mind with color. So I already did my eyelids, and we're just gonna use the Masquerade palette and probably the James Charles palette, just to I don't know. So the first shade I'm going to use in this lovely palette would be Burkina. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid for like a transition shade. Again, if I am looking up, there's a mirror above my camera. Just try to get close to the brow, because I don't know. I don't really highlight my brow bones. Okay, I'm gonna take the same brush that I just used, and we're gonna go in with the shade Ada. And it's like a rusty color. Right. Do. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette and get this black. So you gotta be careful when you do black because it is really like hard to blend. So I just get a little bit and I start right here, and I don't get any more because you can do a lot with a little bit of black, or you can do like another like darker color. See, it's really like dark, and you just want it to, when it gets on the lid, to be like a softer, you know. See, this one came out better than this one. Like I wanted this one to come out. This one just, it always comes out better. I'll try to fix this one. Let's see. I'll fix it in a bit. Yeah, this one always comes out the best. Okay. So now I'm just gonna cut my crease ever so like lightly, like the smallest bit. I'm gonna add like a bit of like a pop color. And I'm just gonna like take this all the way to the black. Oh great, I went a little bit too high. So I don't worry about that because then I can just fix it in a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna fix it. So when my concealer's wet, I have a concealer brush. This is like literally just to blend out the concealer that I have because I don't know what to use this brush for. And it just blends it like out for you. And since I did mess up, I'm gonna take this really small brush that I have, dip it in the same Ada color, and then just go back over the part where I didn't mean to, you know, go over to. And typically you would do this part like after you're done putting on whatever like shimmer color you want. That's what I'm about to do. It's called Casablanca. So I'm gonna spray my brush. It's like a rusty gold, you know, just to add a little color to whatever you want to do. Okay, have to clean up my mess. Gonna take that same small brush again, go in the same brown color, the lid, so you won't be walking around like with extra shimmer. Oh, this one more. There we go. You just want just enough shimmer, you don't want a lot. And then, so I'm gonna take that brush that I dipped the black in and just blend it into the gold or the rusty color. And then that's that part.
By the way, this is the lovely foundation I love to use now. It's amazing. I guess, so I'll be back after I'm done blending in my eyeshadow. I'll be back after I'm done blending in my foundation, okay?
Alright guys, this is somewhat of the final look, so I'll bring you guys back to watch me do the final steps of everything. So I'm gonna go in to the James Charles palette and I'm gonna use the shade Face as a highlighter because I don't know what I did with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzed highlight palette or my Fenty highlighter. So we're just gonna dip into Face with this. It's like a, I don't know, my mom got it in her BoxyCharm and she didn't want it anymore, so I kept it. So here we go. And I only use this one like when I want like a, I don't want like a boom, I have highlighter on, you know? Just a subtle highlight, nothing too crazy. Yeah. And I do it on the tip of my nose. Right here at the bridge of my nose. There's a hair in there. And then the beak of my lip. That's that. And I hope you gonna put on mascara. Too Faced Better Than Sex. Oh, I love this mascara. You can see my little lashes pop up. Okay, so I'm gonna be up close and personal, but I'm gonna have another mirror down here to put on my lashes. That way I won't be too close to you guys. That way you guys can see and I can see myself. I hate when it does that. And I don't put my lashes on top of my lash line because I already don't have lashes as it is. And it's kind of like hard once you put them on there. Man, it's hard. So that's kind of why I put eyeliner on. And I always have trouble putting on this lash and this lash only. Gives me like the hardest time ever. And I usually just push it back with, you know, my finger. My favorite lip gloss, Seranade. And today, I think I'm gonna mist with my Morphe setting spray. And that there, folks, is my nude, not nude, but like subtle natural color tutorial. If you guys have any more questions or any more video requests, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be back with more videos. All right, guys, bye.